Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the PAW Zone token. Now the PAW Zone token just got listed today on CoinMarketCap, brand new listing. Ticker symbol is PAW. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that. Just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us. So check them out in the description box and let's get into this token here. So this token just got listed today on CoinMarketCap. They have their web page is listed on here, Pawzone.io. And on there they have a full white paper if you want to check that out. Lots of information that you could find here. Now, don't get this token confused with other tokens with the word paw in them, like paw swap is another one. I believe that one has the exact same ticker symbol as paw, so there's going to be a few of these paw tokens out there. This one is Pawzone, and they have their Ethereum contract address on CoinMarketCap along with their Discord price chart, Telegram, Medium articles, Twitter, Block Explorer, and webpage. So this is an Ethereum token. So basically, if you wanted to buy this token, you would simply fund your Trust wallet or your MetaMask wallet with Ethereum. You would go into the dApps. You would find Uniswap or Shiba Swap. It's listed on there as well. And then you would trade your Ethereum for the PAW Zone token using the contract address that you could find on CoinMarketCap or their Etherscan. Or you can find it on their official webpage, Pawzone.io. Now, you may have to set slippage if that's in the tokenomics, but we'll go over that in a second here. It says so far they have 3,427 holders. 18 decimal places on this token. There is a max total supply of 500 billion tokens, according to their Etherscan here. So their Twitter at Pawzone Official has 5,414 followers. You could find a full link tree available on their Twitter, and on their webpage you can find links to their paw paper, token information, team information, portals, info, all sorts of stuff is available on there. So if we click on the paw paper, it says, welcome to the PAW Zone, the portal to our applications for the Shiba Inu ecosystem. A civilization is nothing without the community that surrounds it. We prioritize utility and effective burns for the Shiba Inu tokens by providing applications users prefer over others of their kind. So the Pawzaar is the primary NFT marketplace for the Shiba Inu ecosystem. And it says that's coming soon. Also coming soon is the Shiba Inu Gaming Guild, the play-to-earn gaming guild for the Shiba Inu community. And also Pawfi will be coming soon as well, which is the PAW staking platform. So all those are coming soon. Applications, so the Shiba Inu Gaming Guild will be the ultimate crypto gaming guild for the Shiba Inu community and blockchain gamers alike. Borrow in-game assets from the guild for free and keep most of the earnings. 20% of what Shiba Inu GG earns will be sent to the SHIB burn address. So then we have the Pawzaar marketplace. Pawzaar is the NFT marketplace built for the Shiba Inu ecosystem and NFT enthusiasts. It has been designed and future-proofed to be integrated with the upcoming Shibarium network. A percentage of every transaction will be sent to the SHIB burn address. And then the staking platform is obviously where you can add liquidity and claim rewards, stake your tokens. So in the PAW Zone, you can get a season pass. There's effective SHIB burns. There is get SHIB token burn amounts for your listed NFTs. There's all sorts of cool things on here. Low tax NFT marketplace, only 1.8% tax. Borrow assets from your guild. Trade NFTs for NFTs. There's a guild leveling system. Auto convert transactions. Vote for which assets the guild purchases. So basically a DAO. Create your own NFT collection. So yeah, you have voting rights basically. So the PAW paper, if you click on it, it just takes you right back to the webpage and it says that is coming soon. So their white paper is not available yet. They do have a roadmap on here, starting with social media accounts. Then they're going to have Pawzone website development, then the white paper, then multi-sig wallet will come out, and then token launch, airdrops, all that type of stuff. Massive token burn will be eventually here, 50% of the total supply. Then they're going to release the Pawzaar, which is the NFT marketplace there. They're going to release that. Phase 2 is going to be Pawfi, where the staking comes out. Then creation of the DAO, so voting on proposals and stuff like that. Scholarship manager page will come out with a Discord tracker. Purchase gaming assets after that. Then Shiba Inu Game Guild release. Audit, so they're going to have a CertiK audit eventually. Integrate protocols with the Shibarium network. And phase 3 is going to be the Pawzaar upgrade. Shiba Inu Gaming Guild upgrade, Pawfi upgrade, and then mobile application will be the last phase there. So the official token for Pawzone acts as the governance token and contains major utilities within our applications while simultaneously respecting the Shiba Inu ecosystem. Other than its purchasing power, the PAW token is required to level up Shiba Inu, GG, and rent NFTs on Pawzaar. Earn PAW tokens by participating in Shiba Inu, GG, trading on Pawzaar, and staking on Pawfi. So it says, where is the PAW token? It says Uniswap, Shiba Swap, and it has Sushi Swap listed on here, but it didn't say Sushi Swap on CoinMarketCap, but maybe Sushi Swap is available or coming soon. It says 0% tax, so you most likely will not have to set slippage. And yeah, 50% burn at launch. It says 20% of locked liquidity. And token split up between liquidity rewards, staking rewards, trading rewards, airdrop, guild rewards, and 70% of the tokens go to the community. And yeah, besides that, it's got a step-by-step guide to buy this token if you didn't understand how to get it. And this is a newsletter you could sign up for at the bottom of their page, pawzone.io. Go check out this token. Just got listed on CoinMarketCap just today, brand new listing. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section, what do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is, and check out all the referral codes down there in the description box. Get yourself some free crypto. Thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day. Peace.